Hey, let me show you the best features of the Nothing Ear 2. This is actually the third generation of the Nothing Ear, and there's like actually some difference, especially when you take a look in the application. So first of all, now in the application we still got access to the equalizer, but now we can actually find more advanced equalizer. So when you click here, you can find all of these sliders, and you can adjust all of these presets to your own preferences. So you can move these dots up and down, and it's actually highly recommended to turn some music and adjust it while playing the sound. So you can do this like you want, and you can save this presets by clicking here. So as you can see, there's actually the custom one, but when you click on the plus, you can actually create the new profile, click create, and now you can simply switch between these presets that you create. If you want to delete them, of course you can do this. Next, we can also find the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. When you select the noise cancellation, you can actually select high, mid, low, or for example the adaptive. So adaptive is actually automatically adjusts the strength of the noise cancellation, depends of your environment sounds. Next, when you click on the settings in the right upper corner, we can find the low lag mode. So this is actually the low latency mode, and this is actually very useful, for example, when you are watching some YouTube videos and the sound is actually not matching with the screen. So you can actually hear something earlier than you can see it. Also, we can enable the high quality audio to the will be able actually to activate the LHDC codec. And we can also find the dual connection, so it means that we can connect these earbuds to two devices. And the last option that I want to show you, it's this option to find my earbuds. So if you lost one of the earbud, you can just click here and play the sound of it. So we will be able to locate them much easy. And also in this earbuds you can find the wireless charging. So when you close the case, input both earbuds and put the case on the inductive charger, you will be able to charge them. And this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.